Praga means Pragati in Sanskrit. For me, it means growth and development for the industrial sector in Maharashtra and obviously in India. And with that, we help them in providing the end-to-end solutions from the company setup to subsidies to the compliances of all the government requirements. As soon as I entered the industry, I saw there was a lot of fragmentation. And in spite of being such a huge business platform, like if you see the investment required in any industries into billions of dollars, in spite of that, there was a lot of struggle for the industries to have the plant set up over in the state like Maharashtra. So there I realized that there is not a single bridge which can help them to cover these challenges. And if you see, industrialist is more focused on the production part, the efficiency part, the profit earning part, but they are not good with respect to the bureaucracy, with respect to the construction, or with respect to the government related activities. So therein was the opportunity where I felt that Praga can be the ultimate solution for them, wherein they will be more focused with their core activities, and Praga can take care of the other things which will help them to have their plant set up in Maharashtra and in a time-bound manner with all the quality parameters and all the compliance system. Our value proposition, we believe, for people like you who are spending billions of dollars for the elevation of industrial sector of India, deserves the best of services and results. Our strategic expertise, ability to provide end-to-end solutions, mitigate bureaucracy, accelerate pathway through excellent relationship building will make us asset for anyone looking for integrated solution in Maharashtra.